In this video, I will show you how I am create this ripped paper portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Create duplicate layer. Now off this layer and go back to background layer. Create new layer. Select brush tool. You can download this brush. Link given in description. Now on this layer and create clipping mask. Add black and white adjustment layer. Create clipping mask. Create new layer and create clipping mask. Now add drop shadow. I hope you like this video. For more Photoshop or AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.